We are beginning to study pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace the noun in a sentence. Remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, animal, idea, and a pronoun we use when we want to take out that noun and put in a different word there. That's called a pronoun. On the board here, I have a list of pronouns, and I want to show you. The first one is she, he, it, they, and we. This is a list of common pronouns that you might come across in your reading or writing. So I have some sentences here, and we're going to play a little game. I'm going to read the sentence, and then I'm going to replace the noun with one of these words. We're going to figure out where this sentence might go. So, the first sentence says, Ellie likes to read. The noun in this sentence is Ellie. So I'm thinking Ellie is a girl's name. So which one of these pronouns would fit? I look up here and I see the word she. So if I replace she in the sentence, it would say this: she likes to read. So this sentence would go up here under she. The next sentence says, Sue and Anne are friends. Now, the noun in this sentence is Sue. There's two people here, so Sue and Anne. So when I want to replace that, what would make sense there? Could I say he are friends? That wouldn't make any sense. We are friends? That makes sense, but I'm not in this sentence. Sue and Anne. How about they? They are friends. That makes sense. So I'm going to put it underneath the word they. Our next sentence is, Ethan has a dog. So I'm going to replace it with one of these pronouns here. Well, I know that Ethan is a boy's name, and I know a boy named Ethan. So I'm thinking that the pronoun that would be appropriate here is the word he. He has a dog, and that makes sense. So I'm going to put that right there. Our next sentence is, the grass is green. Now, the noun in this sentence isn't a person, it's a thing. And in this sentence, it's grass. So I'm going to replace the word grass with a different word. The grass is green. I think grass would be it. It's not a he or a she, it's an it. So if I replace that with the pronoun, it is green. That makes sense. So I'm going to put that right there. Our next one says, Zach and I are going to the game. So I want to replace Zach and I. Now, I am in this sentence. So the appropriate pronoun here would be we. Let's see if that makes sense. We are going to the game. Yep. So I'm going to put that sentence underneath the pronoun we. We are going to the game. One more sentence. Is the pool still open? So in this sentence, the noun is pool, the pool, like the swimming pool. And I'm going to replace it with something. We already decided that we don't know if the pool is a he or a she, and that wouldn't make sense, that we would use the word it. Is it still open? That makes sense. So it's going to go here. So these are some common pronouns: she, he, it, they, and we. Hopefully you can find some of those. They're very common. Find some of those in your reading, and you use them in your writing all the time, and you probably didn't even know that they were called pronouns.